Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to episode 6 of Arduino tutorials. Today I'll be teaching you guys about the serial monitor. That's this thing right here. It looks like a magnifier, something like that. That's the serial monitor. I'll be teaching you how to use it today. To use the serial monitor, you will need to connect your Arduino first of all. And once you do that, come up here and then make sure you selected it so you are connected to it. Yep, it boldens like that. Alright, to use the serial monitor, first of all, you need to set it up in the void setup. The code to let the Arduino know you are using the serial monitor is serial.begin. That's the code to let the Arduino know you are using the serial monitor. Don't forget your semicolon. Well, in the brackets, you need to set up something called the baud rate. And normally the baud rate you'd be using will be 9600. That's usually what you'll be using. So serial.begin. The text is a bit different from the pin mode and digital write, but serial.begin, you will bring your brackets and then you put in your baud rate and then you end it with your semicolon. In the void loop, you have to you'll be able to write things to your serial monitor. You can write things you want to write to your serial monitor, to your Arduino. And the code you use for that is serial.print. Bring my brackets and then you can end with your semicolon. So you can put whatever you want to print in the brackets and then it would print that to the serial monitor. I'll show you what that's like in a bit. Let me open up the serial monitor right now. I'll show you how it's like. So when you open up the serial monitor, this is it's basically nothing, it's just empty. But then if I put in maybe 12 and upload that, get back to the serial monitor, and then you see it keeps printing 12. It just keeps on going 12, 12, 12, and over here you can see the baud rate. Yep, there are other baud rates, and since we use the 9600, that's what we are selected. We can change it and then, but we'll have to change the code. With this, you can normally just set it to no line ending, so it doesn't add anything to your code. Alright, so with that, just keeps printing 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. But then this doesn't look very nice. It just looks like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you might want to make it print vertically. So with that, you have to put print serial.print ln. With this code, by putting in this ln, it lets the Arduino know you want to move to the next line after printing. So after it prints the 12, it moves to the next line and prints 12, moves to the next line, prints the next 12. That's how it works. So I'll show you. And then compiling. Let's see. Good. Now it moves downwards. But you can see it's moving really fast. And if we want to slow it down, we just have to put in a word delay. I mentioned it in the last video. So we just put in a delay. So about delay. Maybe a 1 second, that'll be 1000 milliseconds. Upload. Yep, and it's slowing down. It's printing, just slow down a bit. Let me change it to something like 5. Upload. Serial monitor. 5, 5, 5, 5. So it prints 5 and then it moves to the next line and prints 5 because we've changed it to print.ln. It prints and then it moves to the next line. So to set up the serial monitor, let the Arduino know we are going to start using the serial monitor. We use this code serial.begin, and over here we input a baud rate which can be changed. If I change this to 57600, it wouldn't work properly because I'll now have to change my code to 57600. And let's see that. Yep, and it's back again. It prints again because now the baud rate is set. So we set up a serial monitor here in the void setup. In the void loop, we let the Arduino know what we want to print, and then with the delay we can slow it down. Alright, so if we wanted to type letters, to do that we can't just, let me just show you. If I said if I wanted to print hi, let me print hi world. No hello world. Give me a second. If I wanted to print that and just type it in, it wouldn't work because hello wasn't declared in my code. I'll teach you guys about variables in the next lesson, but let me just show you this now. To be able to print letters, basically strings, those are strings, you have to put them in quotation marks so that it to be declared as a string. You see, it changes color to blue. It means the Arduino recognizes this as a string. I upload it, and now it's actually going to work. Hello world, hello world. Yeah, just now it keeps printing my hello world. Now that's for letters. So now you know how to print letters and numbers. With letters, you have to put them in quotation marks so that it will be defined as a string. And for numbers, you can just put them there, like just like that, it would print them. Let me see. Can we print use certain operations? Maybe 5 plus 5. Yep, we get a 10. So you can also work out certain operations. So 5 plus 5, it prints out at a 10. What about 5 minus 5? 0. So here is where you can also work out expressions, and you can print letters, numbers, expressions. It will work it all out for you. Now let's see. 20. To multiply, you have to use the asterisk. This is how you multiply. So maybe 20 by 2. That's supposed to be 40. Let me print it out. Yup, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. To multiply, you have to use the asterisk. And what about to divide? To divide, you have to use the forward slash. That's how you divide. To perform division, you have to use this forward slash. Let's see if it works it out. Is it 10? Yup, 10. It works. So that's how you do it. Now we've learned how to multiply using a serial monitor. Divide, add, subtract, print numbers, and print strings. In the next lesson, I'll teach you guys about variables, so you can use all of them: integers, strings, floats, the basic ones, so you guys can have an idea. Right now, that's all you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, don't forget to check out my website. I leave notes to help you understand everything better and some additional information. Don't forget to check it out. And yes, I'm using a rubber duck to promote my website now. I'm watching you.